This is day 2 of documenting my life as a 17-year-old working 2 full-time jobs trying to build his own rally car. Today is just a carryover from my last video, just finishing up all the cleaning before we start pulling parts off the Audi. Once it's all clean, we're going to start to pull the engine out of the Audi and build it up from the block with all new parts. Today was just taking out all the trash that I had accumulated over the last month. And the trash is kind of far, so sometimes you just got to put a 50-gallon bucket on top of a scooter and make it work. Had to do some parkour to get the camera angle that I wanted, but once I got it set, then we were able to throw out all the trash. Here's the end result. The garage is really coming together nice now that it's all cleaned up, and we got lots of extra space to start to pull parts off the Audi and do the engine rebuild.